prepare simple eggless butter cake using microwave oven. So the ingredients for eggless butter cake is maida, which is called as all-purpose flour, and this is powdered sugar, milk, tutti frutti, fried cashew nut, fried raisins, fried badam, baking powder, vanilla essence, baking soda, milk maid, unsalted butter, and also here we kept the measurement spoons, and also we kept the cake pan with the butter paper. Now we have taken 300 ml of condensed milk in a bowl, and then we have to mix 200 gram of unsalted butter to this mixture. You can add it slowly. Now you have to take 2 cups of powdered sugar. So I have already taken 1 cup of sugar. Just mix it with this. This is actually I have taken already 2 cups of powdered sugar, so I'm just directly adding sugar to this mixture. Now you can mix it slowly. There should not be any lumps in it. Now this has become a fine paste now without any lumps. So we can add 2 cups of maida. You can add this maida slowly. Now you can add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then we have to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to this mixture. Now we have to add milk slowly to this. You have to mix it slowly because we don't want any lumps in this mixture. Okay, after adding maida, this has become a smooth paste and this is the right consistency for the cake. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And now you can add all the tutti frutti and other nuts to this mixture. So we have added all the ingredients like tutti frutti, cashew nuts and chopped badam, raisins and vanilla essence. Now again you have to mix it nicely. Preheat the oven in convection mode for 10 minutes. Now add this mixture to the cake pan slowly. After adding all the mixture to the cake pan, just tap it for 2-3 times so that there won't be any air in this mixture. Now we can add the toppings. Already I have kept aside few chopped badam, raisins, tutti frutti and the cashew nuts aside for toppings. So just add those mixture as a toppings to our butter cake. The good part in this cake is we have not added any egg to this cake, so even vegetarian also can enjoy this butter cake. Now it is preheated, so we can keep our cake. We can keep our cake mixture inside and bake this cake for 40 minutes in convection mode again. After 40 minutes of this butter cake in convection mode, now it's ready. So we can check whether it is cooked or not by using a toothpick like this. And so there is no cake is coming out, so this is cooked properly, and we can cut and see how it is cooked inside. Yeah, it is cooked properly inside also, and you can feel the butter, the presence also in this cake, and it is very tasty too. So you people also try this in your home and enjoy this eggless butter.